To get started, you want to arrange your threads in the colour order that you want. So I've gone for 14 colours and I'm doing a rainbow theme, but you don't have to do rainbow colours if you don't want. I just picked that because it shows up really nicely for the pictures. But you basically want to do one section at this side and then a mirror image at that side, so you should have the same colour on the outside going into the same colour in the centre. So this is a 2-row repeat pattern, and for your first row you want to start by doing a forward backward knot, and then 2 more forward backward knots, then a forward knot, and then 3 backward forward knots. So for your second row, you want to ignore the first and last threads, and then starting with threads 2 and 3, you want to do 3 forward backward knots. And then you want to do 3 backward forward knots. And you want to repeat rows 1 and 2 all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And when you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. Now I've finished mine with 2 braided tie-on ends, but you could finish yours how you prefer. For instance, you could finish with a loop and 2 braided tie-on ends instead, and you'll notice that I did this gradient rainbow in the opposite direction. And that is your completed gradient rainbow friendship bracelet.